Alright, what about people? Back at it again. So alright. Kinda tired because of the gym me I come from. So I'll make this one quick. But I'm gonna show you inside of the best, to me, the best supermarket in Montego Bay. And one of my favorites because of the location and the the convenience. It's the new backdrop, which is I guess fake land but not green. Whew. Right, let's go. Sensor. See that there are seasonal items, mostly sweets. Normally have a lot of cookies here, which there's some left, but they're not like the blue tin ones, the originals. Just gonna do a quick go around up here and then I'll head down to the aisles and stuff. These are mostly sale items. So check out black pepper, which is buy one get one free. Ocean spray, which cranberry. But they have a lot of other stuff there. This is Slim Fast, but they're not up. As in, there's not a sign for it, but I assume that anything taped together is buy one get one free. But they don't do the buy one get the other one 50% off thing. They're just free. So, and it changes every day or every 2 days, depends on the item and if it sells out. So these are actually pretty good. I had them for dinner 2 nights ago. So they're better than the regular ramen. Our top ramen, I should say. And you got your breakfast items. So this is curry chicken. Most of them are curry chicken, chicken gizzard, like brown stew. Gizzard again. I think most of them are the same thing for today. Hold on, get my car. Okay, so that's done. And you also have your, jackass corn, which is, hold on. Alright, so that's that. This is one of my favorite sections. I love cakes and stuff like that. You can see from the big back. But I'm weaning off, if they had the cheese one at time, I need to grab bread and something else and maybe some juice. So you got your first aisle here. I already did this video and at least I thought I did. I hit record and it didn't record and I walked around the entire store for nothing. Keep in mind I walked from Fairview, Montego Bay to the in-town for another video which the camera didn't show. Like, it was very shaky because I was using a third-party camera, so that was for nothing in the hot sun after gym. So I was really beat and that only make it, it really took all the energy from the day. Just finding out that I did all that for nothing. I had a clip show you another peek in here today. Another clip to show you guys how shaky the footage was at the end or somewhere. Just walk and be quiet because I don't like to talk about people standing quietly. coconut water with the top. Maybe I know. This coconut water there is especially that too. So sparkling drinks. You got your energy drinks, which I think I need. Something maybe these are fire. It's mango. Well, I didn't try the mango one, but it's $2.50 for the. Hold on, I don't think that's the price for. Yeah, it's not the price. This is the price. $1.89. And they're pretty sweet, but they're like this. If you add the aloe vera drink, they're like that, but more. Like you have way more of the little chunks inside. So that's that. You got your paste and sauce. This is shrimp paste, spare rib sauce. I wonder what that is. Kind of black pepper sauce, chili sauce, a lot of sauces, sesame oil, red chili sauce. This is interesting. Let's just say XO sauce, gourmet powder, whatever that means. Salted black beans with ginger. These are all interesting. Red wing sauce. We have more sauce in here than the last time. Oh, they also have your, chubby. Stay there too long because the lady has her job to do. I can't really block her off. Like your Maltas and tropical rhythm. That's not tropics. Tropics are I think the bottle, like the plastic bottle ones. Red and white vinegar, which these are very, they're glass. Pretty bougie, you know. A lot of vinegars, like 4 rows of vinegar, well 5 if you want that, or technically this is a whole shelf of vinegar, and then hot peppers over here. Jerk sauce, barbecue sauce. I have one of these at home, ready to go. Ketchup, a lot of stuff like that, You got your rice. Jasmine rice, different brands. This is my least favorite aisle, beside my most favorite aisle. I love to cook, so I like the seasonings. I like to try different stuff. Like I'll just come in here, say a Friday or so, and say, oh, I feel for pork, and I'll just grab a pork chop or a big pork shoulder. I just go home, watch some YouTube videos, and say, okay, what can I do with this? And then try a thing, You got your rice. sushi rice, which I think they're just shorter grain rice that easier to be like sticky rice basically. I'm not sure what this is, but it kind of looks like cornmeal. Cornmeal, just like a thicker green cornmeal. We got Himalayan salt. Is that 26 kosher salt, nearly $3,000. So I'm assuming tax was in it. Right there. Our regular salt is like $50 or something. Iodized salt. And more ramen. The powder flour. Gluten-free all-purpose flour. What's the sugars? So I have everything basically. Okay, let me not past. This side you got your flax seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, quinoa, couscous. This soup mix. Interesting. Chickpea flour, which I didn't know that was a thing. Roasted garlic. You got your paste again, but it's like mostly pasta paste. So pasta sauce and tomato sauce, garlic sauce. It's a nice option as well. You got everything to make taco or quesadillas, or you got aki from the tin, and that's 1,116 plus tax. Let me get this clear. That's everything doesn't have tax. All the certain products, I'm not sure what products have tax. So I'm just gonna add tax to most things. This is interesting. Not sure what it is, but it's metal. I just thought mustard was like a paste. But then, let me see something. We do have an interesting product down here, which is sour pickled mustard with leaves. I didn't know this was a thing until I tried to make the video earlier, a couple days ago. That was Friday, and it didn't work out. So we got sesame seeds. Millet sounds like something you would feed fish with. You got your noodles, instant, of course. Another group of people that have the same idea as me, just love the seasoning, right? Jalapeno, which it tastes, I guess it would, I'd say it tastes like a pickle. It's not really all that spicy to me. I'm not really a fan of pickles, even though B loves it, but it just have a squeaky taste to it. I wouldn't even say texture, because even if I just add the liquid, it tastes squeaky. I'm not sure how to even put that in words, it's just weird. So and there are layer pastas and macaronis. Recommendation: coconut milk. Can't go wrong. So it's either the powder or the milk. For all of you who can afford it, the powder. I'll stick to them. Who can afford it, the milk. I'll stick to the powder. But you know, nothing beats the natural coconut off the tree, and then just grate it, squeeze it or juice it, and you got yourself the best meal compared to the the processed stuff. Got more noodles and your cereal, most of the cornflakes. So I wonder if they have nope, it's just milk. Put your one off here. Hopefully my audio isn't too low because I don't really want to talk that loud to draw attention to myself, even though I do have my device just holding up, recording everything. So I already get the attention, but I'm not seeking extra. Let's say that. You got your canned goods, Supplegen. I think I'll show you guys where the Supplegens are later, but you got some in the fridge over there as well in the corner. I'm doing this a bit different from the first time I did it. Oops, sorry. Spaghetti, more rice, more stuff. You got juice. Not really gonna go that in there. You got juice and your water. I got basically everything. Let me see if I can go closer. First one is the 24 keys, 6 then 24 keys, cool, so forth. Got more beans. A lot of repackaging and packing over here, so I don't really want to stay that side too long. Then you have red onions, garlic. These are giant. Look at this. It's a big onion. I got a turmeric and ginger, which are very similar. Yeah, onions, and these are per pound prices, $2.60, $2.45. I think there should be a point somewhere there. I think it's 142.4 for that. Medium price, $5.44 for yams. They did have more bananas, real pretty ones, but that's what's left since the last time I tried the video. For a bag of onion, it's 10 grand. Irish. I don't see a price for the Irish, but they do have it toured out. I think this is a bigger version of the one that's over the other side. And you got your jasmine rices, of course. Pumpkins. Plantain is nearly $500 a pound, and that's what's left. So I guess they're selling, at least the ripe ones are. Green ones are turning ripe, so they will be gone soon as well, if you look at it like that. And the tomato, don't really like how they look, but yeah, to each his one. Beetroot, softer than I thought. Turnips, never, let me not say that. I've had turnips, but I didn't know it was turnip because it was in a soup. I'm gonna go here, then to my right, just to get everything. So you got your legumes here, so corn, yeah, I know. Pigeon peas, lima beans, large lentils and black beans and stuff like that, chickpeas, brown beans, Jerusalem peas. That's a weird 500 for this small bag. And my hands are pretty small. You can see the corns, you know. I've just been to the gym. I was trying to pluck some of them off, but that's what's left. It's a bit hard when you don't have fingernail because I keep cutting them. So salt fish, salt beef. They should have big scale here. Yeah, big scale. Salt mackerel or pickled mackerel. Festival mix. The fridge. This front fridge, which when you come in from that end, would have a lot of dumplings, which I love dumplings. I legit bought a pot of chopsticks just for the authenticity of trying different cuisines. So you got pork and cabbage. I'm not really a fan of cabbage, but I'll try anything once. Vegetarian bun, spicy pork bun. I really love the pork ones, which thank God there's a majority of pork. Like even this, the egg with custard one. I think I bought the first one I bought. Let me see if it's still here. And on that way you got the pimento seeds, cashews, and I think all this is like peanuts and cashews and pumpkin seeds. Go straight up to that. But there were, maybe they have moved it, but there were some pork. Oh, maybe. Let's just see something. Maybe it's this down here. That there were two. Yeah. About the pork ones. And it did have pork and an egg inside, which was a pleasant surprise. I'm here at a day when they don't have much fruits. Yes, this is not much compared to what they normally have. Now you also have, you know, the basics. Normally they have a lot of exotic fruits, just like this. I can't even pronounce that. Nansui pear. Let's hope that's it. I didn't just butcher the name. Dragon fruit. Nearly $4 for, this is 1.1 kg. So that would be 2.2. So it's just nearly 2.3 pounds. The grapes, normally all of this is stocked full of grapes, pears and apples. But I guess they're having a good run because, you know, everything is sold. Pomegranate juice, that's the thing in the corner here. 100%. That must be expensive. Fresh cranberries. It's 1 pack left. I'm not sure how they eat that though, but like, do you eat it with a dip or what? I'm not sure. Yeah, let's get down to the rest of the fridge, and this is the fruit section, right? So you have a small thing separating it with some random cans of beans and corn, mackerel, carrot juice, of course, weird enough. And then you have at that glance you would think this is, oh, it is, it's callaloo. The last time it wasn't. It was something that looked like callaloo but wasn't. I think it was cilantro. So you got arugula, lettuce, green bean sprouts, tofu. And this I assume this is salted, but I'm not sure. Just do this side and come back to the fridge. Lemongrass, which is at everyone's yard hard at this point. Leeks, scallions. Of course it's imported. I don't think this grows here. Imported. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. Lotus root. There's a lot of stuff here. Even new stuff that I didn't see. These sounds like stuff that came from Africa. I'm sure it's not from Africa. Or maybe it's there, but it's not the origin. King oyster mushroom. Interesting. Like a corn. It's corn. Doesn't look sweet, but don't judge a book. Zucchini. Little squash. Cucumbers. Which again, around it's a bit I'm not really sure the price of cucumbers like on the market or nothing, so I'm not going to make a comment on the price. Chinese eggplant. Try to get the light in. It's pretty purple. It doesn't look that purple on the camera. It looks black. Like this is black. This is purple. The lighting is brighter. Jalapeno peppers. It's the bell pepper price, not the jalapeno price. So that would be this, but from a different, because this one says Treasure Beach, but this is just a regular, well, that's sweet peppers. Sweet pepper, tomato, red cabbage, cauliflower, the French. So I got your broccoli, proper sweet corns. Extra sweet. I don't wonder why. Mixed veggies, onion rings, hash browns, which is that I think, yeah, corn dogs, which I need to try one of these days. 9-10. Sweet potato fries. I think they have a Cajun mix of fries sometimes. Just like the seasoned wedges, they would have seasoned fries, but with Cajun seasoning. Seek kebab. Interesting. Chicken nuggets, 1,700. Buffalo chicken nuggets. I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of interesting. Kind of reminds me of tofu. Not tofu, but what's the name of that weird tasting thing? Got your burgers of all variety. Veg out. So you got your vegetarian options. Coconut shrimp. Is that French toast sticks? Corn dogs again, but this one's in the package. Eggo, funfetti, so pancake, jamosa, lot of stuff to try, you know? English muffin and stuff like that. Or it's like they have too much, so they just put random stuff in cases. They got your wraps, pita bread. You got cinnamon and raisin bread, which shouldn't keep that in the fridge. That's pretty hard. I would not enjoy with many vehicles, but this is a bit interesting because it wasn't here all the time. Quail eggs, $14. 14 calories per egg, 1 grams of protein. Me, it seems like a one-time thing. I've tried, but I wouldn't make it an everyday thing because I like my proteins in bulk. So I'd have to eat all of that just to even feel anything. I don't know what purpose I'd have to buy that. So you got the mocha coffee, some milk. Okay, so that's interesting. They didn't keep these in the fridge before, so which is a good thing because I normally say, you know, maybe I want milk, but then they're always hot. So if I buy it now and it's super cold, by the time I reach home, it will be cold enough to still be enjoyable before I have to leave it in the fridge and then come back when I'm already hungry now, not later. So Beyond Burger, so that's most likely a vegan option as well. Beyond Sausage, a lot of stuff. Franks. So this is the sausage line basically. You got your yogurts, Hershey syrup, caramel, strawberry, chocolate. I think these are just liquid yogurts. Might try one, not today. Depends on how much. 10 grams of protein, 60. No, 10 grams of protein, so might give it a try later. You got your fish from Sprat to Bangameri to fillets, I think that says Wasa fillets. Sliced trout, snapper, tilapia. Most of this fridge is just shrimp. So shrimp in all different kinds, pre-cooked and cooked. And you got your crabs, let's see a crab, lobster meat, the lobster itself, nearly 5 grand. I might just go lobster fishing and resell it. Salmon, squid, clams, scallops, and it's more of the same on here. You have Bangameri. I just have fishes from different brands. So you have a whole kung meal, as they call it, but this is a lot. It's not that expensive for the amount you're getting. It's like nearly 3 grand, 2,650. I'm not sure it's local. I think it's local, so it might not attract tax. You got your dim sum. Twist the elephant. Who knows it knows it. You got durian, tofu, sticky rice, and chick, and pork. You got 2 of them. Rice cake, wild scallops. That's 4 grand a bag. Sliced beef. They have a lot of Asian cuisine here. A lot. So fish shaped something. Let's see what it is. Because it doesn't have much writing. And fish nuggets. Okay. But they have the nuggets, fish nuggets in white. So if you look under the blue Chinese writing, you read it. It's pretty hard this dress. These look like pot stickers, but yeah, pot stickers. And these look very similar, so I guess they're just not calling it that, but yeah, Lego. So there's a ham leg smoked. Turkey thigh and other various cuts. And you have your seasoning up here for if you didn't go down the aisle with the seasoning and you decide, say, you're gonna cook a certain type of meat, you just look up and see the seasoning and like, okay, I'll just grab that instead, or to pair. Pork, some more buns. There's a lot of buns in here, more than the gym. Not sure what this is. You know, what is beer? And yeah, you got saltfish here, more pickled mackerels and red herring. You got your pork tenderloin. Show you guys the saltfish. So red herring or just herring. I'm not sure what makes it red. I'm not sure if it's a natural color. You got your saltfish. You got the pricing for this big thing. You have 800. I remember at one point, sometime last year, saltfish prices were out of this world. And at one point as well, in the same year, it was very cheap. It was even cheaper than that price of the 800 pork shoulder. Pork, so you got your chop steak and other cuts. Chicken, so they got your drumsticks, they got your mixed parts. So those 700 for pre-cut chicken, so you can get this, but someone has done the work for you, which I don't really just buy one and then cook myself. I'm only saving $400, but I enjoy cutting my chicken my own. So it's a win-win for me. You got your liver, gizzards, and chicken feet and stuff like that. Chicken back, cheese, 630. Well, you have various prices. You normally have wings as well. I'm not sure. I didn't see any. Maybe the lady was in the way. So you got your chicken breast. Got your normally you have minced pork and mince. So you got minced chicken, minced beef, and minced pork, which you don't see everywhere. You have cheeses, you have parmesan, you have creamers and cream. And I didn't do this side of the fridge, which is oxtail imported, which is interesting in of itself, because I thought we have had enough local mutton, beef. So that's the foot. Kidney. So that's some big chunks of kidney. More mutton. Turkey neck. Mutton again. Chicken. What is bulk chicken neck? Which I'm not sure how they have it packaged like this, if it's bulk chicken neck. But that's interesting. Alright. 2.5. So I think this is like 2 chickens cut to. It's nearly 3 grand. You got your macaroni cheese and a lot of variety of other cheeses. So from mozzarella, chopped cheddar, sharp cheddar, spicy, one jack, and your mixed variety. Parmesan, Parmesan. Interesting. And your one random bag of last one. Top. I think you have another area that you can get mac and cheese from. It's this side of the excess. You get your pineapples. So I don't think I did this section. Pineapple, cantaloupe, and papaya. They're finished. Nearly. At least they're good pineapples. Oh, I need that for watermelons. I did come this way, but I talked only about the pumpkins, and I guess I turned back. They had sorrel over there, at least there were. I don't think there's any now. Yeah, just raisins and fruits. More hot items. So you have red label wine, which is one of the cheaper bottles of wine. But they're mostly for cooking at this point. They got your turkey breast, you got your bacon. So the other side was cheese. This side is mostly cheese spreads and butter. From the butter cheese straight to the end, it's just chiffon butter. This is a popular brand here in Jamaica. Or bacon. They normally have bad dogs here. That's another form of sausage, which is one of the best. Like, he introduced me to bad dogs, and well, if they weren't that expensive, I'll only buy bad dog sausages. So this is, you get turkey sausage and you get a free one. How much is it? But sure, I'd have to ask and maybe grab one because I need breakfast food. We're already at 40 minutes and that's just one side of the restaurant. Well, not the restaurant, the supermarket, because you have another side down here. So their pastries here, which used to be my first stop, it and the food, they put food over that side. And you got all of the liquors, or at least some of them, from here, but chilled, which is in the fridge right here. I think they got more veggie chunks. Yeah, veggie chunks were the thing that I was saying that I was saying. The thing in the fridge reminded me of, but I'm not sure what it was. So it depends on the meal. It's not cheap, that's for sure. So like brown stew pork is $9.50. Normally pork is cheaper than chicken. It's more expensive than chicken, but not here. Here is the opposite. It's 12 bills for chicken, fried chicken, which is wild. So you buy certain things here, just not everything. But if you have the money, why not? Oh, and they do have a cafe. You get your sandwiches and dishes. And you keep some of that video because there's children over there and I'm not gonna include them in the video. You got more pot stickers and I think double things. You got ties. are here. I think this is mostly champagne, but you do have some wines here. Like, yeah. I'm gonna stay here too long. So I got liquors, at least your what do you call it? Your mixes or cocktails, from daiquiri to pina colada, Bloody Mary and all of that, and your mixers, glasses, champagnes. I think these ones are non-alcoholic, yeah. Just gonna go the other side. Go back around, which is the bread aisle. And I tend to buy two loaves of bread per week. And guess what? Only 2 of us live together, and I eat majority of the bread. Got Newtons, Pop-Tarts, that's they really stepped up from their opening, because when they opened this place, it was very light. Like, it's just a few shelves that had anything on it. I think they just opened it because they had to, for some reason. But after I'm done with the video, I'll go and grab what I need. But I'm not gonna do it now and run walk up and down with the extra load. This is pretty cool. It's a new thing for them. They didn't have orange juice like that before. I guess it's for the kids. They had the fresh one, at least the bigger one for that. I'm not sure when they decided on going small. Tempered out of service. I think this had ice. The ice cream is here. I didn't even notice I passed it. Lychee. Lychee is pretty good, but certain companies make it too sweet. You never really know unless you try it. Yeah, here's an interesting one. This is like ice cream cones, jello, peanut butter, and snack packs. Jams, jellies, the sort, chutney, which I'm going to assume is something like a jelly. I know it's from India, but oh, that's sorry. Mint jelly. Of course, it's from Premium English. I got your Nutella. Over. I have a variety of this at home, but it's a bit sweet. So I need it. Then you got more cereals in this aisle. You got your condensed milk, which I'm sure there's another spot for this as well. Got your oats, granola, cream of wheat. Oh, see, there's the last one. So, because what about cinnamon toast crunch or cinnamon toasters? I guess it's a different form of cinnamon toast crunch. And your tea aisle. So this is where you have all of your your tea mixes and they like Milo. I highly recommend giving the turmeric latte a try. For anyone that has not tried it, you can try it while it's hot or cold. I recommend cold. I recommend a lot of it. You might get addicted actually. These are your food supplements or replacement. If you cannot eat, you can drink your meal. It's 15 grams of protein per, well, for that brand. This is 30 for Ensure and 9 for the smaller one. So the complete Ensure is nearly 3 times the amount. So next interesting stuff. Yeah, chippies. Okay, so that was the side where the jams are. So you have baking stuff for like brownies and cakes, jello, baking powder, fruit cake. I wonder if people think I work here just videoing everything that they sell. Cherries, toothpicks, vanilla doesn't taste like a vanilla. You see, that's how I can see. What's that? Rose and this is very interesting looking. Rose and almond flavor for whatever you need. Back to protein powder. They don't have a lot of variety, but it's 6 grand. Well, nearly 6,834. Slim Fast is damn. Got more supplements. So Supplegen, Irish Moss. I really like Irish Moss. I used to go outside and go to the beach and get my own and then make it from scratch. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick move of this side because I'm running out of time. I've been here nearly an hour videoing. Literally it's just reached 50 minutes. So this is the pet food aisle and other pet related stuff. Cleaning cleaning products. This is another random table. It depends on the day you come here, you will see different stuff here. But today it's bulbs and fire. It's like this fire thing that you can burn. One of those camping stuff. There's a small car section here. That they said lovely laughing. Lovely laughing. Like a hour worth of walking really takes a toll on your hand when you only don't have a selfie stick. You got your soaps, cotton swabs and baby oil. Baby oil. Items. Lotions are in there and the spray, Lysol stuff. aerosol, I should say. These are the Lysol stuff. Wrapping paper. You got your files and wraps. Tupperware, at least Tupperware, but they are food containers. Got Tupperware is a brand, not the container itself. I'm sure there's Ziploc somewhere here. Yeah, the Ziploc container, but yeah, I'm sure there's the bag somewhere. You just have to look. I'm getting super hungry. I did not eat before going to the gym as normal. No, he's taking his toll. More cleaners. Scotch Brite. Well, for this one, it's 67. Bags, which is basically Ziploc. So it's a pretty big place. You have mostly anything you really need for your house. And I have another place which I'm not sure if I should show you guys. But I would say it's not as long as here, so it'd be a shorter video. But there is 2 floors, which is only one, so it might just be the same length. And your window cleaner, your carpet cleaner, your varnishes, elbow grease. Toilet paper holder, shower curtains. These are the shower curtain holder, like to put stuff on the rod. The candles and other air fresheners, peroxide and stuff like that. Alright, let's try to go wrap this up. So you got your soap pile, shampoo, conditioner, hand soaps. These are pretty big. Shower, what's this? Shower cream. Kid soaps, or back at the baby aisle. Baby. The baby oil aisle. That's where your kitchen stuff. Bug spray, bug coil, bleach, baby pampers. I think these are pull-ups like grown people diapers. I'm sure they, feminine section basically. I'm sure they have a child, diaper section. Alright, so that is it. That's it for now. I'm just gonna go and try and get some stuff for myself to eat. Probably a bread. Can't leave out the bread. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.